restricted body, then this workout is for you. It's just a short flow that will help you start increasing flexibility with just a few minutes every day. So let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to sit in a comfortable position with your legs crossed. We're going to start by stretching the neck, and you're just going to look down. And now lean your head back. And while you're doing these stretches, make sure you are breathing the whole time. Breathing increases circulation, and it will help you get into your moves much better. Go ahead and look down. You can feel that stretch all the way down your spine. Pull it back, lean back, and pull your shoulders back as well. We turn to center, and we're going to take our head to our right shoulder. And if you would like a deeper stretch, you can help yourself out. Other side. Doesn't that feel great? Look to your right and to your left. One more time to your right and to your left. Right arm comes up and to the left. For a deeper stretch, you can come down to your elbow, and if this is uncomfortable, stay where you were. Look up to the ceiling with a little twist. Come back up to center. Let's pull our hands up to the ceiling. Get that nice stretch. It feels so good. Now to the right. Back up to the center, arms up. And now we're going to turn for child's pose. Feet together, knees apart, and lay down. Forehead on the mat. Deep breathing. Come up. Place your hands at your back and pull them up. Feel that nice stretch in the shoulders. Now lean your head back and forward. Back and forward. Come back up. One more nice stretch up as far as you can. Great for posture. And now we are going to go into plank. You want your wrists under your shoulders. And we're just going to float back into down dog. Come back into plank. And as you're coming down into plank, you round your back. Come back into down dog. Back into plank. Dog. Stay in down dog, and I'd like for you to pedal your feet, getting a nice stretch up the back of the leg. Deep breathe. Feels so good. Not only is this a great way to start your day, it's also a great way to end it. Get us out of those restricted bodies. Go back into your down dog. Try to get those ankles to the ground. Look forward and just push a little deeper into the stretch. Listen to your body. Do not go. Hi, Flynn. He wanted to join us. He does down dog. Love you, buddy. do not go too far in this stretch to where you feel pain. Pain is a signal from the body to back off, so you want to listen. We're going to walk to our feet and just hang ragdoll style. Grab your elbows, bend as deep as you can. Turn to the side. Now to the other side. Just hang. Twist side to side for a deeper stretch. Hands down. Scratch your pup if he's nearby. We're going to go back down into plank. And you're going to do a slight push-up. Lean up into upward dog. Relax your legs on the ground and lean back. I like to twist side to side slightly just to feel that extra stretch. Come back to center. And now what we're going to do is come up. Place your elbows on each knee and lean your shoulder in. Other side. Feel that great inner stretch. Okay, now we are going to stretch out the left leg. And this is where a block can come in handy. If you cannot get down this low, then you grab your block wherever you are comfortable. Hold that stretch for a count of 20. It is time that helps you to go deeper into the stretch. And that is one of the reasons why it requires patience. Now we're going to go over to the other side. Take your block with you if you need it. Breathe. If you notice, my ankle does not have quite as much flexibility on this side. Maybe I could stretch it out and get it down. But that is a little bit restricted, and I am working on that, doing my ABCs with my ankles every day. Take your breath. Breathe in deep. Come back to the center, and we're going to go ahead and sit down. Bring your legs out in front. This is a great time for a band. If you lack that flexibility, wrap it around your feet, because if you can't reach your toes, then this is a great start. You pull forward and you just go as far as you can. It can feel a little uncomfortable, but you don't want to feel pain. Lean forward, breathe. And as you give it some time, the body will release and you'll be able to go a little further. Maybe grabbing your feet, head down. One day I myself am going to be able to lay on my legs. That's a goal I have, but I have to work for it. I have to earn it. And we are just going to windshield wiper the legs. Stretching out that back. Come on up. Thank you for joining me And hopefully this will just be the first of many to come. Come with me as we learn to become more flexible. Have a great day.